Guys, Raksha Bandhan is round the corner and Corona is also at its peak. So I would like to share with you guys some Rakhi making ideas so that you can make it at your home very easily and you can enjoy your festival at home only. So stay safe, stay home, and you are watching Handmade Buzz and I am Ashi. So let's get to the video now. To make Rakhi, first we will take cardboard and we'll take the required size of circle and cut the circles. When you are done with cutting the cardboard, next you have to take the cloth piece and also cut the cloth piece in a circle but in a bigger circle so that you can stitch it. Now you have to start stitching it. You have to do the running stitch in it. After you are done with the running stitch, you have to pull the thread and then you have to secure it. So guys, I am showing you the two ways of covering your circle. This is the stitch one which I have already shown. Now I am showing you the glue gun one. So all you have to do, put the glue on your circle and start sticking the cloth on the cardboard. So guys, this is how we will get two circles. Now guys, you have to take a cloth piece, whatever you feel like you can make the Rakhi of it. I am taking this one and I'll cut this bird and will stick this bird on my circle. Once I will complete sticking the cloth piece to my circle, next I will take the thread and stick the thread in between the two circles. After that I will stick both my circles with the help of the glue gun only. I am completing my Rakhi with adding the beads in it. Guys, make sure add beads in your Rakhi. It enhances the Rakhi and looks good. For my next Rakhi, I am taking a frame and a cloth piece. This is a satin cloth piece. Again, I will take a required size of circle and mark the circle on the cloth piece. After that, I am drawing a smaller circle inside my bigger circle and also write Bhai in it because we are making a Bhai Rakhi and we'll write a Bhai in it. Guys, I am sharing the pic of Bhabhi Rakhi of it. You can also make the Bhabhi Rakhi. Guys, after that we will start stitching it. I am doing the running stitch in it. You can do the outline stitch as well. Guys, this Rakhi could be made only by those who know stitching, but the another idea of making this Rakhi is that you can take the cotton cloth piece instead of the satin one and you can use color instead of this thread. So guys, I am writing the bhai using the same running stitch, but you can use the outline stitch as well. This is how the outline stitch will look like. So when you are done with the stitch, again you have to do the same. You have to cut the cloth and stick the cloth on the cardboard. I am done sticking the cloth on the cardboard. Now I will finish my Rakhi with this beautiful lace. Guys, be careful while sticking the lace to the Rakhi. I am sticking this lace with the help of the glue gun. You can use the fabric glue as well. Once I am done with this lace thing, I am taking a felt paper piece and cut that paper in the size of the Rakhi and stick that paper behind the Rakhi for the finishing, and don't forget to stick the thread between it. That's it for today. If you like my video, if you like my ideas, please subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, and do not forget to share with your family and friends. Thank you.